Deep in the twinkling blue waters of Coral Cove, where starfish sang lullabies and seaweed danced like ribbons, lived a tiny fish named Finley. Finley was the color of lemon drops with little blue stripes on his tail. He was cheerful, curious, and full of dreams. But there was one little problem. Finley didn't know how to swim well. Tropical fish, why can't I swim like everyone else? While other young fish zipped through hoops made of bubbles and played underwater tag, Finley mostly floated behind rocks and watched. I'm just not good at it, he sighed, watching his friend Luna the Clownfish loop-de-loop through coral tunnels. You'll get it, Finley. Luna smiled. Confidence is like a muscle, you have to grow it. But what if I flop or sink or spin in circles? Finley asked, hiding behind a shell. Then you laugh and try again. Luna winked. Come to swim school tomorrow. Coach Ray is amazing. Waterwave, welcome to swim school. The next day, Finley wiggled nervously into the big kelp field where Coach Ray, a giant manta ray with a voice like warm waves, floated above the class. Welcome, young swimmers, he boomed. Today, we'll learn to swim with confidence. Finley gulped. Even the word sounds big. Coach Ray smiled kindly. Confidence means believing in yourself, even before you're perfect. Let's begin. Sweat droplets, the wobbly waddle, and the bubble flop. At first, Finley wiggled too much and went upside down. The other fish giggled, but not in a mean way. Nice spin, Finley, chuckled Luna. That's almost a trick move. Finley blushed. But he smiled. It was kind of funny. Then he tried again. And again. Each time, he got a little better. White medium star, the confidence clam. After swim class, Coach Ray swam over and gave Finley something shiny. This is the confidence clam, he said. Every time you try, even if you don't get it right, you earn a glow. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!